Let's go get him again.
The House of Deep Tick. It's been a while on my channel. It's been a long while since I've talked about Deep Tick. The House of Deep Tick, to me, has always been solid. Nothing too flashy, but just straight up solid. It's part of its downfall as it gets forgotten in our community. At least for me, I always stumble upon Deep Tick while doing research for a certain note, mint, oud, whatnot, or a certain type of fragrance or something I'm looking into. And I'm like, oh yeah, Deep Tick's got one of those. You know, it's been a while. I should go check them out again. And most of the time they get glowing reviews. You know, you start looking on Fragrantica base notes and you're just like, oh, yeah, they have a solid so-and-so. And just like this one, you know, you're looking for another oud-based fragrance and Deep Tick comes on to play and people are giving it very good reviews. So here I am, giving it my first take, and it's been a while on a Deep Tick fragrance. Let's go. Fragrance family, welcome to the Rob Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing. No, we're not. A lot of these videos looks like we're not unboxing a lot of fragrances, but I am giving my first impression on Oud Palau. This fragrance, and as you can see, my bottle is obviously not full because I got this on Facebook actually. Some guy was selling some of his fragrances, including this one. And I jumped on it. You know, it's blind buy. I haven't smelt this fragrance, so I got it for under $100. You can't go wrong. And it's been a while since I spoke about Deep Tick. After Philosykos, it kind of felt like, yeah, I haven't talked about Deep Tick in a while. I kind of stopped checking for them, which I really shouldn't. They're steadily solid in their releases. You know, they got some flops like a lot of other brands, but they're fairly solid in a lot of their fragrances. I got Eau Duel a few years back too, and that one was pretty good. But I'm happy to be adding another bottle from the House of Deep Tick, and I think, yeah, my other bottles are from the old school square bottles. It's not even the black, the Eau de Toilette EDPs of the game when they changed their bottle. So it's been that long since I've gotten a bottle of Deep Tick. And I got a few others on my radar here for the brand, but this is my shiny new toy, and let's talk about it. So now it's time to crack open my bottle of Oud Palau, and I've been eyeballing this scent, and I've been wanting to wear it as my scent of the day, but finally I could shoot my video and make me smell this. And oh, you smell that. I don't even have to put the strip, which is a good thing, to my nose. I could smell that jammy rose right off the bat. Oh wow, this has a lot of facets. Jammy rose, like I said, very easy. There's some sweetness here. Not only that, but there's a vanillic sweetness in this release too. There's a smoky, woody oud here. I'll talk about the incense in here too, because there's some smoke out of the incense. This is a traditional oud rose combo. So it's nothing new to the game. No. Rose is more dominant than oud. I like my rose ouds more oud dominant than rose dominant, but if the rose is well done, which it is here, I don't mind. There's no saffron in here. They added more incense to give the oud some smoke. You get some sweetness from the vanilla. There's a little bit of patchouli in this one. A little bit of there's some smoothness in here. Very smooth, warm, and it's compared to Oud Ispahan by Christian Dior. I need to go to my Oud Ispahan bottle and check that out and double check that. But it's a dense, thick, rich rose. The rose is the star of the show here, but it has a vanillic quality. It's got smoothness from a sandalwood. It has complexity is there. There's a little bit of smoke from an incense, but there's oud too. There's a woody dustiness here. There's patchouli, a little bit of patch, and a little bit of booziness here. This fragrance is, it's been a while since I've smelled a Deep Tick release. It's I know that Philosykos gets a lot of wearings from me, my bottle, and my other bottle, my Eau Duel, doesn't get that much play from me. It's a good vanillic fragrance, though. But it's been a while since I've checked out Deep Tick. I need to check out more of them because this one is extremely solid. What I like about this is there's more. It has that traditional backbone of oud and rose. So if you're kind of sick of that, and here I am putting my hand up, I am sick of those combos. But this one is so well done, and the complexity is there that there's other moving parts that keeps me interested. And that's how you win. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you win. You want to use a boring combo that everybody has smelt and make it interesting. Yeah, the rose is really good. The oud is, even though it's called Oud Palau, the oud isn't the star of the show. It really isn't. It's actually more of a secondary. There's a lot of moving parts in this. I like this one. Oud Palau from the House of Deep Tick. Happy that I got, about half a bottle left. That's good enough for me. This is 75 mil. Tons left. I'm excited. I'm happy. Definitely a good blind buy. And it's been a while for me for Deep Tick, so it's nice to put my, get my feet wet again with the Deep Tick. Solid release. Can't wait to do a Pop the Cherry on this. Can't wait to wear it. And I think it'll be good for spring too, just because of the rose itself. I want to see how it's going to pop in the spring. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below of this release here. You like it, you hate it, you love it. Recommend me some Deep Tick. Throw them at me because this is my third bottle in my collection. That's right. I only have 3. This is a brand that I've really just haven't discovered too much. I have a whole bunch on my hit list. I need to get some samples of them. But at the end of the day, as always, a Greater Pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your Deep Tick release wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.